I'm using, so if you can see it, so I'm using this right now, but I normally use the Brooklyn Cat oil, baby oil, but she didn't have any when I went to the event on Saturday. So for now I just use this oil, and it's good. This is a good oil, but of course hers is I love the smell, and it's a different kind, definitely a different kind of oil than this. Plus I think hers is more, you know, it's organic, so it's more natural. This is, I'm not sure if this is even, you know, but it has a thing, and I just oil my scalp. And I do this probably every other day. And that's my hair, guys. And this is how I curl my hair. Of course, it looks a little crazy because it's fresh. But once I, you know, tie it down, it changes it. And the thing about these, I can bend it. I can do all kind of stuff. I can fix it however I want to. And yeah, so some of you guys were curious how I make my hair look short. Because I always get, when I do my hair like this, I always get people thinking I cut my hair. No. And it's just these fuzzy things. You get them at Walmart. They're like 88 cents, less than $1. And people have the professional ones where they're like, they're expensive. But to me, it's like I use these one time, and then when I'm done, I throw it in the garbage. And I'd rather that than, you know, spending a lot of money for the other ones. People sometimes say these get trapped in their hair. I haven't had a problem. So yeah, that's it for now with my makeup, because I'm gonna be doing photos today. That's the plan. So yeah. So guys, I am sweating. So I am doing photo to shoot today. So today is all about the blog, mainly. I did read earlier. So I'm on page 86 of this book, and so far it's basically he already did the killing, and everybody's trying to get him to talk why, including his children, his sister, you know, the sheriff, is a lawyer. So it's just mainly a lot of suspense right now. I have no clue why he did it. It's just I don't know. I like the storyline so far. I like getting to know the characters, how they feel, as well as how things are affecting their life. But it's just, I mean, it's a long way to go. I'm nowhere. So we'll see how this goes. But right now I'm heading to the city because I need to take more photos, and I have to fix this because I'm sweating, guys. It is 36 degrees outside, and you wouldn't believe how much I'm sweating. And I think it's because, again, I'm hopping in and out of clothes, changing shoes, and, you know, all that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go to eat some seafood. I'm bringing you along, guys, bringing you along. And yeah, because my blog was kind of hurting. I didn't have any photos for a while, so I'm taking advantage of taking multiple clothing in one day. So yeah, take you along, because I'm hot. These are coming home. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yo, she's being nice, but she really wants to smash somebody up the side. Well, we'll tell you what happens when we go outside. So guys, we just came from the Kate Spade store, and so we're walking around. I'm looking at his shoes, and this lady just came and propped her ass on her purse. Like, this straight up sat on it, like slick sitting on it, like she was gonna take it or do something. It was just, why would you sit on some stranger person? It's a big purse. It's not like something you can miss. So I was like, excuse me. And I snatched the purse up. And she just kind of looked at us like, but she looked at me like, you know, whatever. Needless to say, she's upset about it because she felt like maybe something would have happened. Really? I don't wear hugs. They're warm, but I know.
I put your jeans like I actually want these.
So, did you like the food?
Yeah.
So guys, we are done for the day, and the seafood was really good. I was yeah, definitely should check out the boil. It's a very common, popular spot, but the seafood is real good. So I am going to head home and edit this vlog, and it's going to be a late post, but day 18 is done. All right, thanks for watching guys, and have a good day. Bye.